Talking about money, the world's richest man may now lose half of his wealth. Amazon founder and CEO Jeff Bezos and his wife Mackenzie Bezos have decided to part ways. And this might be the world's most expensive divorce yet, which could shake up the global wealth rankings. Here's how.
25 years ago, an investment banker left his high-profile job to move to Seattle. This man, Jeff Bezos, married his love interest, Mackenzie, and started an online bookstore from the garage of his home. 2.5 decades later, Bezos' professional venture Amazon has eclipsed Microsoft to become the world's most valued listed company. On the personal front, though, all has not been well. The Bezoses have announced their separation. A joint statement released by them on Twitter read, and I quote, "After a long period of loving exploration and trial separation, we have decided to divorce and continue our shared lives as friends." Having met at a job interview in 1992, they shared a common office space. After 3 months of dating, they married in 1993 and relocated to Seattle, where the couple started Amazon. Mackenzie is believed to have played a pivotal role in helping Bezos chart out a plan for the online retail firm. But as the firm grew, Mackenzie took a backseat, limiting her roles to hosting social gatherings, writing books, and taking on philanthropic ventures alongside her husband. The duo fondly flaunted their romance in the statement. They claimed, and I quote, "If we had known we would separate after 25 years, we would do it all again." But not everything is as bright and sunny as this power couple might want to project. Jeff Bezos is reported to have been romantically involved with a former TV personality, Lauren Sanchez. A media scoop also claims that Mackenzie is aware of his relationship, and perhaps this could be the reason for their separation. Grapevine aside, there are talks of it being the most expensive split ever. If the couple split their fortune equally, it could make Mackenzie world's richest woman with $69 billion in her kitty. Bezos' fortunes, though, will take a hit, having to part with half of his wealth. Currently number 1 on the rich list with a net worth of around $137 billion, the split could push him to number 2 on the billionaire index. The talks of a bifurcation of wealth is based on Washington law, which claims that all assets acquired during the marriage by either spouse are equally split unless there's a prenuptial agreement stating otherwise. There is also no clarity if the couple have a prenuptial agreement, but many believe that the settlement is going to be anything but ugly. Money can make divorces tricky, but for the ultra-rich it can also make it far less frightening. Perhaps that's why the imminent divorce of the Bezoses sounds more like a transaction than an emotional upheaval. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.